Hello and thanks for tuning in again. It's Pat from CedarCoast Homes on Lake Muskoka. We're getting our Lake Muskoka build framed in here. We've got the deck coming out. You can see the Douglas fir beams supporting the deck, which is just going to look gorgeous when it's done. There will be stone on the bottom part of the wall for the walkout level here, and we're just getting this walkout level closed in and ready for insulation on the floor, which we spray foam the floor, and then we're pouring the concrete next Thursday. So by the end of next week, we'll have it closed in and ready for some more internal framing before we start our rough-in work here, which will be electrical, plumbing, heating systems, and our smart home systems, which we have going into this cottage. So we'll get you some more updates when that comes around. Thank you for watching.